In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a carousel in Systeme.io. Whether you're enhancing your sales funnel or simply wanting to add a dynamic element to your web page, a carousel can be a great tool. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Systeme.io dashboard. This is the main hub where you can access all your tools and features. Once you're logged into your account and on the dashboard, take a look at the upper menu. You should see a tab labeled Sites. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Sites section, you'll see several options, but for today, we're interested in sales funnels. Click on Sales Funnels to open up a list of all the funnels you have set up in your account. This is where you can manage and edit your funnels to suit your marketing needs. Now, look through your list of funnels and select the one where you'd like to add a carousel. Simply click on the funnel name to open it. After selecting the funnel, you'll see an option to Edit Page. Click on Edit Page to launch the page editor. This is where the magic happens. In the page editor, you'll be presented with various elements and tools on the left side of the screen. We're looking for media. It might take a moment to scroll through the options, but once you find it, click on it to expand the media options available to you. Under the media options, you'll find Carousel. Click on Carousel to add it to your page. This will insert a basic carousel element onto your page that you can then customize. You can adjust the images, transition styles, and other settings to match your website's design and your personal preferences. That's all there is to it. With a few clicks, you've successfully added a carousel to your funnel page on Systeme.io. This feature can help you showcase products, testimonials, or any other content in a visually engaging way.
Remember, the key to a successful carousel is to keep your images or slides concise and relevant to your audience. Less can often be more, so choose your content wisely to keep your visitors engaged. Now you can go ahead and experiment with different styles and settings to see what works best for your needs. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Adding a carousel to your Systeme.io site is a simple yet effective way to enhance user experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials on getting the most out of Systeme.io.